Hey, this is Kathy. Sometimes if you're in Excel and you create macros, you'll find that you have duplicates. In other words, that the macros do exactly the same things, and you'll want to delete one macro. I'm going to show you how to delete duplicate macros. If you go into Excel, into your home page, you'll want to go into your Developer tab at the top on your ribbon, and you'll want to click Macros. Double click, and that'll open up your macro menu. Here I have two macros, Macro 1 and Macro 2. Although they're named two different things, they do exactly the same thing. Let me demonstrate. If I click on my sheet and I click Macro 1, I'll get a text box. If I click somewhere else on my sheet and click Macro 2, I'll get a text box. So I'll just need to delete one of these. I'll go back to my macro menu. I'll click on Macro 1. I'll click Delete. It'll ask me if I want to delete, and I'll say yes. And if I go back to my macro menu, I'll only have one macro in there. And that's how you delete a Microsoft Excel macro. Thanks for watching. This is Kathy.